Today, I want to get into the concept of embedded iPaaS as a whole. It's been around for a while now, and I think it might be time to rethink what the term even means and what we should really expect from an embedded iPaaS platform. If you build B2B software, you probably know the basics. An embedded iPaaS is how you ship integrations as part of your product. That means the connectors, the marketplace, the whole thing that lets you build one integration and roll it out to a ton of customers without doing it by hand every single time. And that definition, by and large, hasn't changed too much in a while. I think it's gotten a bit too small in scope. Embedded iPaaS isn't really just about integrations anymore. It's about extensibility and extending what your product's platform can do. The biggest recent change affecting embedded iPaaS shouldn't be a surprise to anyone because it's one of the biggest changes to ever happen in software development. And of course, I'm talking about AI. AI made writing integration code much cheaper, and a lot of the initial reaction to that has been, oh, great, integrations just got easier. We don't need an entire platform. Let's just build them and maintain them ourselves. No big whoop. But actually, it's the other way around, where the code was never the hard part. The hard part is everything that runs that code in production, like multi-tenant auth, deployment, monitoring, security, compliance, catching the broken sync before your customer does. None of that gets cheaper as AI gets better, making these things even more valuable. And so once everybody can generate the code, the question is who's got the platform to actually run it at scale? Modern embedded iPaaS shouldn't stop at data moving between systems anymore. The more interesting question is what would actually empower the customers on your platform, giving them things they'd never even think to ask you for, like being able to build their own workflows right inside your product. It's more about adding features than just providing integrations. Embedded iPaaS should give your customers way more power than they realize they could have, and all of that points to the same idea of making your product extensible. And a modern embedded iPaaS is the foundation for it. It comes down to three things all on one core platform. Number one, productized integrations. You build an integration once, you deploy it to thousands of customers, each with their own config, and your developers can build these in TypeScript in the tools they already use with AI coding assistants that know your platform, so integrations ship about 10 times faster. Number two, embedded workflows. This is a white labeled builder that you could drop right into your product so your customers build the automations their business needs, including the highly customized use cases you'd never have the roadmap to build for everyone. And with things like an AI copilot, they could describe what they want in plain language and watch the workflow build itself live. Number three, surprise, surprise, agentic interaction. Those same integrations and workflows become tools your customers' AI agents can call to take action across any connected system. That's real authentication, real isolation, and predictable results. With that understanding of modern embedded iPaaS, the integrations are almost the least interesting part. They're the bread and butter, they're the table stakes, the foundation, and it's what your customers build on top of that foundation that turns your product from something they like into something their business actually runs on and finds indispensable. Embedded iPaaS started out as a way to ship integrations, but now it's how you make your whole product extensible with integrations, workflows, and agents all on one core platform that handles the difficult things that break at scale. Well, that might not be the definition of all embedded iPaaS platforms. It probably should be, and it definitely will be. If you want to learn more about all of this, I've got some links in the description below. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.